Today, we will explore the details of 5 AI tools to help you start generating money without any investment. First one on the list is ChatGPT Writer. This tool aids you in composing engaging emails that connect with your audience, boosting engagement rates. Once you begin using it, you'll notice a substantial decrease in the time required for drafting messages. This efficiency allows you to focus on other essential tasks. With streamlined writing, your professional communication may become a remarkable asset, impressing clients and opening doors to new opportunities. Now, second one is Tidio AI. Consider how automating customer support can enhance your business operations. You won't have to worry about missing inquiries or slow responses. This versatile chatbot provides instant support to customers, reducing cart abandonment and boosting conversion rates. This scalable solution not only elevates customer experience but can also be marketed as a premium service to other businesses. Third on the list is Harpa AI. Remains a strong contender in understanding SEO and market analysis. By leveraging its capabilities, you can develop data-driven strategies that attract your target audience while staying ahead of your competitors. These insights are crucial for increasing traffic and boosting your affiliate earnings. Next on the list is Lumen.AI. The possibilities are endless. Its intuitive interface enables you to input text and generate visually striking videos in mere moments. This feature enhances engagement on social media and significantly simplifies the content creation journey. Imagine the time you save while still delivering high-quality video content that resonates with audiences on YouTube or Instagram. Furthermore, consider offering your video production services to businesses looking to revamp their online presence, expanding your freelance opportunities in this growing market. In essence, Lumen.AI serves as more than just a tool, it's a launchpad for becoming a versatile creator in the competitive digital arena. Lastly, let's dive into Murf.AI, an excellent resource for anyone passionate about audio content creation. This AI voice generator allows you to produce professional podcasts, engaging narrations for YouTube, and even audiobooks without the need to hire voice actors. Picture the convenience of crafting unique content tailored to audience preferences, all while maintaining high production quality. By utilizing this tool, you streamline your content process and unlock new revenue streams. Offer your voiceover skills or start your own faceless YouTube channel, showcasing innovation and creativity. With Murf.AI, your audio projects can stand out amidst traditional content, paving the way for greater engagement and profit. So, are you excited to tap into the full potential of these amazing tools? As we conclude our discussion about these transformative AI resources, it's evident that each provides unique opportunities to enhance your online income and simplify operations. By integrating ChatGPT Writer, Tidio AI, Harpa AI, Lumen.AI, and Murf.AI into your workflow, you'll boost productivity while positioning yourself to capitalize on emerging trends in a rapidly changing digital world. The most exciting part? The growth potential is limitless. As you implement these strategies, you carve a path towards sustainable financial success online. Remember, each tool can act as a catalyst for your entrepreneurial achievements. By harnessing their distinct capabilities, you can seamlessly transform your approach to generating online income, ensuring your business remains innovative and creative. So, take bold steps into the future, using technology to shape your financial destiny. But wait, there's more. As we expand beyond these 5 tools, let's highlight the necessity of continually adapting your strategies. The digital realm is constantly evolving, and those who remain nimble will reap the most rewards. By staying informed about new developments and enhancing your skill set, you'll be prepared not just to survive but to thrive in online entrepreneurship. Embrace the enlightening power of these AI tools, recognizing that your journey is far from over. Innovation and flexibility will be your keys to success. Each step forward allows you to define your space in the digital marketplace, enhancing your financial outlook while leading the forefront of creative entrepreneurship. Which tool will you try first? Comment below. Down pointing finger emoji, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI money-making ideas every week. Fire emoji, see you in the next one. Waving hand.